you?
Good. What's the name?
Dylan?
Wait, I'm confused.
Why?
I was looking for a Mark.
Oh, a Mark?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. It's Uber's always glitching. I'm sure it's the right car.
Okay.
How's your day going?
It's good.
So you're just going to the airport, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
What? To San Diego airport?
No, LAX.
Oh, yeah, we're going the wrong airport. I'm sure you could change your flight though, right?
Wait, hold on. I'm getting texts.
What?
My Uber says he's here?
I'm here. Yeah, obviously.
No, I'm getting texts from Mark. You're not Mark.
Uber always switches it up, you know, don't worry about that.
I'm uncomfortable. Could you stop the car?
Nah, I'm sorry. I'm about to get on the freeway, so just hold on.
I'm in the right car.
Just put your seatbelt on.
Listen, are you trying to like kidnap me or something? Like, what the heck? Like,
no, I'm just driving.
Car?
Are you serious?
Like, my Uber is texting me. You're not my Uber.
Okay. I'll let you out. I'm sorry. You just make sure you get in the right car next time.
I mean, I tried to confirm the name, but
yeah, just don't get in the. Check the license plate next time. It's your fault.
Getting out.